Good morning, children. Today I am going to start new topic, properties of addition. Children, when you combine two or more numbers or quantities, then you are using addition. There are two parts of an addition sentence. There are two parts of an addition sentence. So this is a addition sentence. Here the first part is addend, and this is also addend, and this is sum. So what is the addend? The number which are added together. The numbers addend are the numbers which are added together, and the sum is the answer. Now children, you can use the property of addition to help you to solve the addition problem. Children, you can use the properties of addition. Now first property, the identity property of addition. What is identity property of addition, children? The sum of any number and 0 is the same number. Any number plus 0 is the same number. Let us clarify with the example. 6 plus 0. Now let us explain it with the help of the example. I am having 6 sketch pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another one, another addend is 0. So 6 plus 0 is how much? When we are adding it to total, putting together of these two addends, the sum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Now let us clarify with another example. 0 means nothing. So 0 addend, it means the container is empty. Now come to the second number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total, the addition of these two numbers 0 plus 9, then total sum is, let's see, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum is 9. It means any number plus 0 is the same number, that is 9. Now let us practice. What number makes this true? 14 plus something is 14. Now I have told you that in the identity property of the number, if a number is added with 0, then the sum is the number itself. So here 14 is the addend. If the next number addend is 0, then their sum is 14. In number 2, 29 plus something equals 29. It means 29 is, if we add 29 with 0, then the number itself 29 is the sum. This is the property of identity property of addition. Now come to third. If 0 is added with something, then the sum is 47. It means here it is 47. When 0 is added with 47, then the sum is equal to 47. So it is the identity property of addition. Fourth, dash something is added with 0 equal to 123. If 123 is added with 0, then the result is 123. So this can be clarified with various examples. For example, if we add 6 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pens and 0 pen. Nothing is there. Then when we add it, how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again, if I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pens and 0 pens. So how many total pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it proves the identity property of addition. Now here let us see some examples. If 5 is added with 0, then what will be the result? Result will be 5, the number itself. If 8 is added with 0, the result will be 8, the number itself. If 2 is added with 0, what will be the sum? Is the 2, the number itself. If 3 is added with 0, the sum is 3, the number itself. Of addition. Changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Here 13 plus 11, it is equal to 24. 11 plus 13, when I am changing the order of the addends, but the result is same, 24, 24. It means if we change the order of the addend, it does not change the sum. Let us clarify with the help of some more examples. Let us add three numbers. 7 plus 3 plus 8. We can add these three numbers in 6 orders. Addition sign. What is the result of addition? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. This is the first order. Now I am changing the position of two addends. Second addend and third addend. But what is the result? 7 plus 8, 15 plus 3, 18. Sum is same. Now again I am changing the position of middle addend. So 8 plus 7 plus 3. How much? 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. The sum is same. Again I am changing the middle to the last one addend. Changing the order. 8 plus 3 plus 7. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. The sum is same. Now I am again changing the order. This is the fifth order. 3 plus 8 plus 7. Total sum is 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. The sum is same. Now I am again changing the order of the addends. 3 plus 7 plus 8. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So this proves that if we change the order of the addends, but the sum is always the same. The changing the order of the addends does not change the number. Let's practice. What number makes this true? 1. First, 4 plus 7 equals something plus 7. Now if we add 4 plus 7, now let us take example. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in one container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total is, we will add it, 7 and 4. Total added and they are taken together. So what is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Now again, if I am changing, the second container is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many pens are left? 4. So first container will contain the 4 pens. So here see children, the position, the order of the addend is changed. Firstly, I have kept in this first glass 7 pens, and in the second there are 4 pens. Adding these pens together, I got 11 pens. But when I change the order of the addends, then what is the result of addition? Let's see. Putting all these 4 plus 7. So total sum is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here the sum is same. It means when we are changing the order, the sum is not changed. So 4 plus 7 equals 7 plus 4. So here if we are changing the order of the addends, but the sum remains the same. Now comes to the next question. 16 plus something is equals 21 plus 16. According to the same commutative property of addition, here 16 plus 21 will equal to 21 plus 16. Now it's time for quiz, children. What property of addition is shown? Commutative property or identity property? Let's see the question number 1. 24 plus 12 equals 12 plus 24. Here the order of the addends are changed. So which property does it shows? It shows commutative property. Now come to the second. 24 plus 0 equals 24. Here the number is added with 0. The sum is the number itself. So this is identity property of addition. Come to third. 0 plus 3 equals 3. When 0 is added with the number, the sum is the number itself. So it is also identity property of addition. Fourth, 25 plus 36 is equal to 36 plus 25. So which property of addition is this? This is commutative property of addition, because the order of the addends are changed but the sum does not change. Here the sign is of equals means the sum are both the sums are same. Thank you children. Bye bye.